guys! Mag-study mo ni Princess. Hello. Say
Hi!
Live tayo ngayon. Good morning. It's evening today. Morning. Mag-study kami ni Princess. Kasama ko si Princess today. Hello! Welcome to my channel. It's Genevieve. Hello. And Princess Jen. Hello.
Hi,
Mag-aaral tayo
guys.
ngayon. Mag-study tayo ngayon, guys. And may pointers kasi binigay si Teacher Rachel. Hello, Teacher Rachel. Say hi to Teacher Rachel.
Hi!
Okay. Hello, Teacher.
Hi, Teacher Irish.
Ay, also Teacher Irish. Hello. Say hi.
Hi!
Okay, mag-start kami sa Pilipino. Yung pagbibilang ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ikaw. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Very good.
Guys, hi, it's channel. It's my channel. It's Mama Bear.
Hello.
Yeah, I
Okay,
studied
okay.
today. We are answering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Hi, bye-bye.
Di pa nga tapos, magbabapay ka na. Hello. Okay. Sina. What when you do this? Okay. Ito yun, guys. O, mag-matching lang siya, guys. Tapos, kung saan yung picture sa kanan at sa kaliwa, i-connect lang yun. Okay. You count it.
Isa,
So, where is the isa?
this one.
Very good. And this one?
Dalawa.
Oh, where is the dalawa?
That.
Very good. You count first.
1, 2.
Tagalog. You have to
Isa,
count.
dalawa.
Very good. How about this one?
Tatlo.
Very good. Where's the tatlo?
1.
You count.
Isa, dalawa,
Louder.
tatlo.
Very good. How about this one?
4.
Okay, where's apat?
This one.
Okay, you have to count.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4.
Very good. The last one? What's this? What's that?
It's
Louder. What's that?
tie-dye.
Again. What's this?
The color.
What's that?
Dalawa,
What's this?
5.
Very good. Again?
5.
Okay. Where's the lima?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5.
Very
That
good.
is 5.
Wow. You're very good.
Kana ako na eat nun.
Okay. What is this? It's a jelly or what's that?
It looks like a jelly juice.
It's jelly juice. Okay. So the next page is...
Nag,
What's this one?
Nag-eat ko jelly juice, ma.
Oh, you eat a jelly juice? Okay. What's this one?
Nakita ko ni mami.
Nakita ka po di mami?
Oo.
Okay. So nakita niya yung mami niya, yung lola niya. Oh, sige na. What this one?
Ay, Ate Darrell.
Hello, Ate Darren. Sige. What's this one? Next.
I will video today.
Excited. Okay. Sige. Next is...
Isa.
What's this one?
So jelly.
What's that?
I love jelly.
Yeah, I know you love chili. What's this one?
Wobbly jelly.
This one, what's that?
Wobbly. Nim.
Louder.
Anim.
Louder.
Nim.
Don't show. Okay. You have to find this one. Where is the ano? Okay, you have to count. Where's anim?
Anim.
Okay.
Pito, rhino.
You have to count. Sige, you try.
Dos.
You try to find out.
Cinco, ra.
No, it's not 5. It's 5. So, 5. So you're gonna find where is the anim. Okay, you count here. Tingnan.
Ito isa na.
Yan na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Anim.
You find it.
Ang 6 na.
You're gonna find here. Yeah.
Here's the anim.
You count one by one. Where's that?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
No, there.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Is that anim?
No.
Okay, fine.
Nine, the ring.
Okay, so
I love
the other
roses.
one.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo,
No, there.
4, 5, 6,
Anim.
7, 8,
Siya.
9.
Is that anim?
No.
What's this? So you're gonna find another one. You count the ball. You know.
Is the
You count
ball.
again.
Isa, dalawa,
Oh, there.
tatlo, 6, 4.
Again.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 6.
Yeah. You try your best. Isa.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo,
Anim.
6,
4.
4,
5.
5, tatlo, 7.
Again. Isa.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5.
What's this?
6.
Count.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5.
Look. This is anim.
No.
Are you sure? You count again.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, what's this? Is
It's
anim?
anime.
Very good. So where is?
Anime.
Okay, where's anim? You connect the anim.
That is anime. No,
Very
no.
good.
I want
Next.
this
What's this?
one. This one. I got no.
What's this? This one.
What?
You read this one.
What? What?
You have to read this one first. Finish it sa anim.
Pito, mana.
Very good. That's a pito. So you have to count the toes. If it's this the kind of pito, okay?
That does look like pito.
Okay, you have to count it. Pinasa.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. So, where's pito?
That is pito.
Very good. Correct siya, guys. Okay.
I know pito.
Yeah, she know pito. Okay. Yan na. Next. 3 more.
Banana. I love banana.
3 more. Okay.
What is that? Walo.
Very good. So, you're gonna find here. Where's walo? You have to find. This is anim. This is pito. And where's the walo? You have to count. You start here to there. You know. Okay.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, 5, ano, 2, 8,
Siya.
9.
So this is walo.
No!
Very good. So this is next.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125 Sampu.
Is this swallow?
No!
Again?
It looks like water.
This is a flag. Okay, you count. Start here. 1. Isa.
I want to learn.
Okay, isa. At ilaw.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Anim, ito, walo.
So, this is?
Yes! Walo.
Very good. You can very good.
Walo.
Okay. The last 2. What's this?
Tatwa.
This?
Tatwa.
Sige na. This one?
What is that? Siyam?
Very good. Louder?
Is siyam.
Very good.
Hi
So,
guys.
it's correct. Sige. It's correct. Sige. You have to count this one.
It looks like siyam, that is.
Okay, this is Siam. So you have to count first before you answer. Okay? Sige.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, ito, walo, siyam. That is siyam!
Huh? Are you sure? This is Siam?
Yes,
Look at the word.
siyam.
Where's Siam? Very good. The last one.
Erase.
Okay, it's okay. Last one na guys. 10 na kami, okay? Okay. So
Yes,
what's this?
hi!
Okay, this one. It's
Sampu.
okay. You're gonna find the sample picture in this side, okay? Sige, you count it. Louder.
This is sampu.
Louder.
This is sampu.
Okay, you have to count this.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima.
Okay.
Anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu.
Very good. So where's the book? Very good.
We can do this.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Yes. Correct na siya, guys. Pero hindi namin kinunik. Ayan, guys. So, see you. Bye-bye, guys. God bless. Subscribe. Like, subscribe. Hello. Please, makiklik yung bell button para ma-notify kayo every time mag-upload ako ng new video. Subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yes. Bye-bye. Subscribe.
Yay!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Good night.